How to make some cool slime. First you need water and at least 5 cups of salt. Or you can use more because I had to use more. Now stir it in until it's nice and thick. Now take your dish soap and pour some in. Make sure it's about 2 spoonfuls. Now mix. Mix it in spiral circles so it's nice and dipped. Now stir it gently. Next, add any color you want. I added a little bit, way too much. I used a pen because I couldn't find any spoons. Okay, I added a little bit way too much, so I'm gonna dump it out. Refrigerate for 24 hours and you have a nice plain slime. Bye!